Hey everyone, welcome back to Talk Easy Daily. And I need to confess something before we even start.
That already sounds dramatic. Should we be worried?
Maybe, because today's topic makes me nervous.
You were the one who suggested it.
I know, and now I regret it. Today we're imagining something extreme. One full day without your phone.
24 hours. No scrolling, no messages, no, I'll just check one thing.
No alarms, no social media, no quick Google searches, no pretending to text so you don't have to talk to someone in the elevator.
Okay, now my hands feel uncomfortable just hearing that.
Same. And before we go any further, I want to ask you something. Be honest. Could you do it?
I want everyone listening to actually answer that. Right now, in your head. Or even better, write it in the comments. Yes, I could survive. Or no, absolutely not.
And don't try to look cool. This is a safe space. If your answer is, no way, I love my phone too much, we understand.
Because today we're not here to say phones are evil. We love our phones.
I use mine for everything. Alarm, maps, photos, music, notes, shopping lists.
Escape.
Yes, especially escape.
So let's paint a picture. Tonight you decide, tomorrow I will live one full day without my phone. You plug it in, you place it far away, maybe in another room.
You feel brave, strong, a little dramatic.
You go to sleep thinking, this'll be easy.
And then morning comes.
The real test.
Okay, tell me honestly, what's the first thing you touch in the morning?
My phone.
Not your pillow, not your partner, not the floor?
Nope. Phone.
Same. My eyes are not even fully open and my hand is already searching.
It's automatic, like breathing.
So on this no phone morning, your eyes open, your hand moves, and there's nothing there.
That moment feels wrong.
It feels like you forgot something important.
Your brain starts whispering, where is it? Where is it?
And here's something interesting. Without the phone, the room feels quieter, but also louder.
Louder how?
You hear birds, the sound of traffic, your own thoughts.
That's the dangerous part. The thoughts.
Yes, because normally we don't give them space. We wake up and immediately fill our minds with other people's lives.
Notifications, news, drama.
And now there's just you.
I think for many people that's uncomfortable.
If that's you, I want you to comment one word. Uncomfortable. Let's see how many of us feel that.
So instead of scrolling in bed for 15 minutes, what do?
You actually sit up. You stretch. Maybe you look at the window.
You might even feel slow.
Yes, slower. And at first, your brain doesn't like slow.
Your brain wants stimulation. Fast, colorful, moving.
But something interesting happens after maybe 10 minutes. Your breathing becomes calmer.
And your mind stops shouting.
You go to the kitchen, you make coffee, and normally, what do we do while the water is boiling?
Scroll.
Of course. But now, you just stand there.
Watching water boil feels very long when you're not distracted.
But also peaceful.
Peaceful and slightly awkward.
I remember trying this once. I felt restless, like my body wanted to move but didn't know where to go.
That's a strong word, restless.
Yeah, like I needed to check something, even though nothing was wrong.
That's powerful, because it shows how deep the habit goes.
So here's a question for everyone listening. How many times do you think you check your phone before lunch?
Guess a number.
10? 20? 50?
I once tracked it. It was over 60 times before 1 p.m.
That's not crazy. That's normal now.
And that's why this experiment matters.
So you leave the house with no phone.
That's where the panic begins.
You check your pockets.
Keys, wallet, phone.
Except there's no phone.
It feels like leaving without shoes.
Or like forgetting something important for school.
You walk outside and there's this strange feeling. Vulnerable.
Yes, vulnerable is the perfect word. Like you're exposed.
Because your phone is like armor.
Armor against boredom, against awkward silence, against talking to strangers.
Especially in elevators.
Elevators are the worst.
Normally, we all stare at our screens. Safe.
But now, you're just standing there.
With your face.
And your eyes.
And maybe another human being.
I tried smiling once during a no-phone morning.
What happened?
The person smiled back.
That sounds small.
It was small, but it felt real.
And that's something we're missing. Real micro moments.
Tiny connections.
Let's move to work or school. This is where the habit becomes very clear.
Oh, yes. You start a task.
5 minutes later, your brain says, quick break.
Which means phone.
Just one check.
The famous lie.
That one check becomes 10 minutes.
Then you feel guilty.
Then you feel behind.
Then you feel stressed.
So you check again to escape the stress.
It's a loop.
On a no-phone day, that loop breaks.
At first, it feels harder to focus.
Because your brain wants the reward.
But after maybe 30 minutes, something changes.
You go deeper into your task.
Time feels different.
Slower, but more solid.
You finish something without interrupting yourself.
And that feels powerful.
If you've ever struggled with focus, type focus in the comments. Let's see who relates.
Now let's talk about something even more important. Home time.
This one hits hard.
Picture this. A family in the living room.
4 people, 4 screens.
No one talking.
Everyone scrolling.
They are physically together, but mentally somewhere else.
That's a contradiction that hurts.
Connected to the world, disconnected from the room.
On a no-phone day, you walk into your house and there's nothing to grab.
So you sit down.
And you actually look at people.
You notice details. The way someone laughs. The way someone looks tired.
You ask, how was your day? And you wait for the answer.
Not half listening.
Fully listening.
I once tried a phone-free dinner.
How was it?
At first, quiet. Almost awkward.
Because we're not used to that kind of silence anymore.
Exactly. But then stories started coming out.
Real ones?
Yes. Someone talked about feeling stressed. Another person talked about a small win at work.
Did anyone check the time?
No. We forgot about time.
That's beautiful.
And a little sad. Because it showed me how much we miss on normal days.
I think many of us use our phones to avoid hard feelings.
Like boredom.
Or loneliness.
Or even deep conversations.
If you're brave, answer this in the comments. Do you ever use your phone to avoid a conversation?
That question might sting a little.
But growth usually does.
Let's go to the evening of this no-phone day.
This is where reflection happens.
You've survived the morning panic.
You've survived the awkward elevator.
You've survived work without scrolling.
And now you're sitting quietly.
Maybe with tea.
Maybe with a book.
Or just your thoughts.
And here's the big question. How do you feel?
Not the fake answer. The real one.
For me, when I tried it, I felt 2 opposite things.
Tell me.
Restless and peaceful.
That's interesting.
Restless because my habit kept whispering. Peaceful because my mind felt less crowded.
Less crowded is a powerful image.
It's like your brain finally has space to breathe.
And sometimes in that space, you realize something.
Like what?
Like how much pressure you feel to always respond fast.
Yes, the pressure to be available.
To reply immediately. To react. To comment. To stay relevant.
On a no-phone day, that pressure disappears for 24 hours.
And you realize the world keeps spinning.
No emergency happened.
No one disappeared.
That realization can wake you up.
Wake you up to what?
To the fact that maybe you are holding on too tightly.
Holding on to your phone like a safety blanket.
Exactly.
I love that image. Safety blanket.
It makes us feel secure, busy, distracted.
But maybe also dependent.
Let's be honest. Could you sleep without checking your phone one last time?
That's a tough one.
If your answer is no, don't feel ashamed. Just notice it.
Awareness is the first step.
Not judgment, awareness. So maybe a full day feels impossible. That's okay. Start smaller. No phone at breakfast.
Or no phone in the bedroom.
Or 1 evening a week in airplane mode.
Tiny experiments.
And when you try it, pay attention to your emotions.
Do you feel anxious?
Free?
Bored?
Calm?
There's no correct answer.
Only your answer.
And we would really love to know, after listening to this conversation, are you more curious to try a no-phone day?
Right? I'll try, if you're willing. Or not yet, if you're not ready.
Both are honest, and honesty is what this episode is about.
Before we end, I want to say something important.
Go ahead.
You are not weak because you love your phone.
And you are not superior if you don't.
We're all learning balance.
In a world designed to keep us scrolling.
So today, maybe just move your phone a little further away.
Not forever. Just a little.
And see what happens in that small space.
You might find a conversation.
A quiet thought.
A deep breath.
Or even yourself.
If this episode made you think, please like it.
Share it with someone who is always just checking something.
And subscribe to Talk Easy Daily if you want more real conversations like this.
We're building a community that learns English through honest life topics.
And your voice matters here.
So don't stay silent in the comments.
Tell us your relationship with your phone in 1 sentence.
We'll read them.
And maybe we'll talk about some of them in a future episode.
Until then,
maybe look up from your screen for a moment.
Take a breath.
And choose what you want your attention to belong to.
This is Maya.
And this is Ryan.
And you're listening to Talk Easy Daily.
See you in the next conversation.